Part of the job search process is sending in resumes. And today, because of technology, most resumes are stopped by what they call a resume scanner or ATS resume scanner. Well, one of the things you get with your job offer guarantee is we give you a tool called JobScan that will allow you to assess your resume, compare it against scanners to make sure it's going to get through. Let me show you how it works. We come in here and I'll just use the sample. So the first thing it's going to do is you're going to put your resume in on the left hand side. You're just going to dump it in like a text file. And on the right hand side, you're going to put in the job description or a few job descriptions, and it will compare it to see what the match looks like. So you'll see in this situation, you got a 67. That likely will not pass through. It may. You're really in a gray area. You want to get it up around 80%. So on the right-hand side here, you will see some different findings. It will tell you what's good or bad. And then down here, it gives you more detail. Says, I found this, I found this. Those things, if you know the company name, you can put that in and it will tell you the type of scanner that they use if they know it, and then it will now measure your resume against that scanner. You continue down further, you get some recruiter findings, then you get some layout findings in there. The one that I really like is when you get some of the measurable results in there. And then you get down here into some of the words. So you'll see in this situation, the job description mentioned customer experience 3 times. The resume did not mention it at all. It also does something interesting where it predicts the skill. It wasn't in the job description, but the job scan suggested that that would be a good word to put in. Same with operational analysis. Goes down further. It shows you some of the soft skill words. It says here it was on the job description. All of these X's means it did not find that word at all. And down into some other keywords. Now, very important to understand that JobScan would like you to get a better than 80% to know that you're going to have a very good chance when you submit your resume, it goes through. Again, this is just one of the tools we give you at the Job Offer Guarantee because we want you working as fast as we can get you working.